Another question we had on the list here is just sort of your personal management tools. Like what are it's probably your phone, but I mean, what are some other, whether it's a piece of software, a piece of equipment, just some kind of technology that helps you do what you do every day? Anything come to mind?
Our POS system for our pickup and deliveries and drop-offs, that really helps us. If it wasn't for, I remember 10 years ago when we were doing pickup and delivery, it was, put everything in your Google Calendar and hope you didn't miss anyone. So being able to move to a POS system with good routing software has really been a game changer for us.
Good. Other examples, Ross or Kathy?
We added Reception HQ. So we actually have 4 numbers with them. So the incoming for our laundromats and incoming for pickup and delivery. And then they take messages and that forwards over to Open Phone. Thank you, Luke. So we got Open Phone, and then you can assign the same number to multiple people to access, so that the receptionist sends a text message to the Open Phone number, and then we can either call or text from that. And I mean, with pickup and delivery, it's a little more order placing or commercial. They actually call if it's a new commercial client, so that we can deal with them right away. For laundromat side, a lot of issues can be resolved without even talking to the customer, now that we have that stop point of the receptionist, because they can take the loyalty card number and text over like, oh, the dryer charged me twice. And then I can go into the system and just add the money back and then text them, money's refunded. And they're like, oh. So that's been big for us.
Make the customer happy and make your life a little bit easier, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
Kathy, what about technology that just helps you do your day-to-day?
Yeah, we also have a POS system that allows us to do the route, and it involves a lot of texting options, so that has helped a lot cut down on the phone calls, that we're able to just get messages from the customers and work things out quickly through the messaging system. The drivers also use the software to do all their routing and everything from that angle. So.
Yeah.